Today is Tuesday, April 9th. The time is 7:47 p.m. This is Memman101. This is the 2011 Panini Gold Standard Football Break, break number 70. Good luck, everybody. First card goes to the Packers, Charles Woodson, serial numbered 40 out of 299. Next for the Colts, rookie, Anthony Costanzo, serial numbered 122 out of 299. Cowboys, legend, Bob Lilly, serial numbered 36 out of 299. For the Raiders, rookie, David Osbury, serial number 88 out of 299. Packers, Gold Leaf Stars, Aaron Rodgers, serial numbered 60 out of 299. Gold Leaf Rookies, Raiders, Taiwan Jones, serial number 233 out of 299. Serial number 46 out of 299. For the Broncos, Hall of Fame Gold, or Hall of Gold, jersey, John Elway. Serial numbered 7 out of 299. For the 49ers, Gold Reserve jersey, Patrick Willis. Serial numbered 126 out of 525. For the New England Patriots, Shane Vereen, patch jersey, rookie. For the Rams, Greg Salas, autograph rookie, serial number 2 out of 25. For the Buccaneers, rookie, Alan Bradford, autograph, serial number 289 out of 499. And the last card goes to the Chiefs, Jamal Charles, serial number 54 out of 299. Thank you, everybody, for bidding. Please check out my other eBay box breaks. Ending tomorrow for football, I have 2012 Panini Prime Signatures. Also listed for football box breaks, 2012 Topps Valor and the brand new 2012 Panini Playbook. Currently listed for baseball box breaks, 2011 Panini Limited. I'll be posting additional box breaks throughout the week.